In this video, we're going to talk about the Planner module. The Planner module is where all of the artificial intelligence we call Ivan is inside the software, constantly reviewing IRS code as well as your business and personal tax returns to come up with strategies that are unique and customized to your tax situation. Here, the screen is displaying the best 7 strategies. So you can see them in each of these purple boxes, as well as what the total current tax projection shows. There's a video explaining most of what we're going to talk about here already inside the system. To take a look at any one of these strategies, the first thing we do is we look at how much it can save us. For instance, income deferment for this particular scenario, this client or this user can save them $53,311 in tax. So as you can see, this one strategy alone can almost eliminate all of the tax due. And the goal of Tax Planner Pro is to show you as many strategies as it takes in order for you to be able to get your tax down to zero. It's why we call this the path to zero tax, is because the goal of the software in the end is not just to show you what your taxes are going to be, but to recommend to you strategies and techniques to get rid of all that tax. Once we've decided that we want to implement a strategy, all we have to do is click on the purple box. Let me show you what it does. I'm going to click on SEP IRA right here. So what's come up is the SEP IRA screen where we explain everything to you in terms of what the strategy is, what a quick intro to what a SEP IRA is. There's a video that has been hosted by me that shows how to implement the SEP IRA and different information about the SEP IRA. When we scroll down, we get the most important part of this screen, which is the projected savings box. And what this is doing is saying, okay, your current taxable income is this, but your SEP IRA income is 0. And that's a problem because as an S corporation, if you're not running any wages on yourself, you basically have 0 SEP IRA income. So what it's suggesting down here below is that you increase your wages from 0 to around $159,000 at a maximum. And then it gives you 3 different scenarios of what, if you pay different amounts of wages, what you can save with the SEP IRA. So in this case, the maximum, if you contributed or if you ran payroll on yourself for $159,000, you could contribute $39,837 to your SEP and save $12,802. Now, watch what happens whenever I go into the scenario and change what my SEP IRA income is and come back to this box. Okay, so what I did is I went back into the data entry for the personal tax return and input $30,000 as my S corporation wages. And what it's done here, as you can see, is it has repopulated the projected savings box with updated information. And the reason I want to show you the difference between these two things is to show that this is not just static advice. This is a system that adapts and changes based on what it learns about your tax situation. So now it knows that you've got $30,000 worth of SEP income, and it's giving you different strategies. If you want to put in $3,000 to your SEP IRA, you'll save $1,050. If you want to put $5,250 in, you'll save $1,837. Or if you want to max it out for this income level, you can put in $7,500 and save $2,625. Down below, again, it's saying now if you want to really max things out because you're an S corporation, increase your wages to $159,350, and you can do a much larger SEP IRA contribution. What we also see is the Tax Planner Pro rankings. And these rankings give you an idea for each strategy we recommend, what the overall benefit is, how difficult it is to recommend, how aggressive, and what the audit risks are. So a lot of information packed into each strategy to make sure you've got everything that you need in order to implement strategies as you move forward through the program. This is the planning module. It's a very exciting piece. We have dozens and dozens of planning strategies in the software, enough to get you down to zero tax. So check it out and upgrade to the Pro package to use it every day.